Introducing the Deal Dictionary. You have to be able to speak and comprehend the words of business in order to succeed.
An IPO is an initial public offering.
I went to school with this guy who works in venture capital.
Balance sheets, profit and loss statements.
I don't speak monkey. Do you?
I wrote this book to navigate the world of business. You need to understand these words.
So I never did owe you any royalties for your patent.
What'd you just say?
Every bond and CDO salesman, subprime lender, and swap trader is going to be there.
This is like music, but I have no idea what you're saying.
You'll learn firsthand with examples of how these words are used in real life, how to apply them, and how to define them.
Are you reading the dictionary?
Boy, this is a mother dictionary.
So it's time to read the Deal Dictionary, the 100 must-know business terms to crush the competition. It's a must-have tool to guide you on your path to success.